Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. Today we are back with another Valentine's video. This video is for the chocolate lovers. We are making a caramel mocha layered cake. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. For our cake, we're going to be using the Duncan Hines Devil's Food Cake. I have the instant espresso packages. So the ingredients for the cake, or what we'll need to make the cake, are 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. What I'm going to do is get 1 cup of hot water, and then I'm going to dissolve the espresso in that water, and then that's what we're going to use for the cake. And then I'll also be adding a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So those are the only 2 things that I'll be doing different according to the instructions on the box. So let me grab everything I need and we'll be right back. Here we have our hot water, and this is what the individual packets of the espresso looks like. We're going to start with 1. I'm just going to empty the contents into the water, and then I'm going to give it a stir. I think I'm going to use 2 packs. So I'm just going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract to that. I'm going to give it a good stir. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab my bowl so we can go ahead and start to mix up our cake. So here we have our bowl. We're going to start by adding our cake mix. Water, espresso, and vanilla extract mixture. To this, we are going to add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And now 3 eggs. Now we're going to start to whisk these ingredients together. All right, just like that, our cake batter is done. So let me grab my pans, prep those, and we'll be right back. So I'm going to bake the cake in 3 6-inch pans. So I'm going to start by spraying them each with Baker's Joy. So here I have a 1 cup measuring cup. So I'm just going to add 1 cup at a time to each of the pans. So now that I have 1 cup in each, I'm going to go in and add another 1/2 cup to each. I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven, and they're going to bake for about 25 minutes, but I'll let you guys know how long it takes in my oven when I take them out. Here we have our ingredients for our chocolate buttercream. We'll be using 32 ounces of powdered sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We have 2 sticks of salted butter, a stick of Crisco, and this is 1 cup. And then we'll be using as much heavy cream as we need. I'll start out with about 1 cup, but just however much we need to get the consistency I want. So I'm going to start by creaming together the butter and the Crisco. I'll then add the vanilla extract, then the cocoa powder and the powdered sugar, and then I'll gradually add in the heavy cream. I'm just popping in to say that if you are going to make this cake, you can cut this icing recipe in half. I'll be doing a lot of baking and I will need more chocolate icing for another recipe, which is why I went ahead and made a full batch. But just a heads up, if you are going to make this cake, you can cut the icing recipe in half. So our icing is done. I ended up adding about 1.5 cups of heavy cream to it. So here are our cakes after 25 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna let them hang out in the pans for a few minutes, and then I'll come back, remove them, and stick them directly on the cooling rack. So now we are about to assemble the cake. Now for the caramel element. Here I have a caramel sauce that I actually made yesterday. That footage will either be included in this video or it will be uploaded as a separate video before this one or at the same time. So either way, you'll have access. If you don't see this recipe in this video, look down below in the description box and you'll see the link for where I made it. I'm gonna start by putting a little icing on the board. This is a big board. It's a 12-inch board for a 6-inch cake. This is just what I have, so it's fine, but I'm not going to place the cake directly in the middle. As you can see, I have trimmed off the domes of the cake. So I'm going to place one there. Now I'm going to put a little icing on. Now I'm going to add a little caramel sauce on top of this. Now I'm going to go in with my second layer. I'm going to place this last cake on upside down. Now I'm going to go through and drizzle caramel around the sides of the cake. Now I'm going to go in with some icing on top of the cake. So now I'm going to add some truffles to the cake, and I actually found these at Aldi. There are 12 truffles in here. Just a variety. And in the package, there's sea salt caramel, vanilla, almond, and chocolate mousse. Those are the flavors inside. Y'all, I have absolutely no idea how I did it, but I was not recording when I placed the truffles on the cake, but you can look at it and see where I placed them, and you'll get a close-up shot in the end. So now I'm just writing Happy Valentine's Day on the cake board to take up some of that negative space. Don't laugh at my writing. I know it is not the greatest. We have made it to the end of our video. Here we have our finished product, our caramel mocha layered cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. While you're here, I ask that you also look down below, press that red subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. Don't forget to visit my channel, check out the Valentine's Day 2023 playlist where you can see all of the Valentine's goodies I have made. Also, there will not be a midweek upload this week. The next video you guys see will be Sunday, January 29th. That is actually my birthday, and I will be making my birthday cake in the next video. So I hope you guys will come back. Join me next Sunday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you next Sunday.